So it's like 1 a.m. I was about to go to sleep, but I heard a noise coming from the kitchen, and I'm pretty sure it's my little brother messing around again. So I picked up my camera because I figured maybe this time I could catch him red-handed, and I'll have this proof to show my mom, so she'll actually ground him this time. So I'm gonna go and try to bust him right now. The hell? The fuck? Stupid ass Snoopy. You in here, Matt? Guess I didn't hear anything after all. Okay, that's kind of weird. It's like 1:30, and that Snoopy thing's playing by itself. And then I come in here, and these fucking light fixtures are swinging like that. I don't like that at all. Let's make them stop, hopefully. That's pretty fucking creepy, though. Not gonna lie. I'd probably be more freaked out if I wasn't so half asleep right now. Fuck this shit, I'm going to bed.